Hey, I'm Lane. It has been a while since I've been on here. There is a free trauma workshop that's coming up soon with the organization Turning Point Crisis Center in Plano, Texas. It's open to literally anyone who has been essayed by a family member. There aren't a lot of resources like this out there for people who've been through this. This topic is extremely under-discussed as well. Please share this around everywhere so that it can get to the people who would benefit from this workshop. Here is the information. You just need to email Megan at this email to RSVP, and this will likely be on August 29th on a Saturday in the morning.